In this lesson we're going to look at how to integrate terms with a coefficient greater than 1. So the first example here, integrate 4x cubed with respect to x. So add 1 to the power and then divide by that new power. So we're getting a 4 here and then divide by that new 4. So you're going to get 4 over 4 x to the power 4 plus c. That just goes to x to the power 4 plus c because 4 over 4 cancels down to 1. Okay, in part B, add 1 to the power. So that's going to become negative 2 and divide by that new power. So 8 over negative 2 times x to the negative 2 plus c, which will become negative 4 x to the negative 2 plus c, and then make your power positive, take it down below and make it negative 4 over x squared plus c. Okay, the next example here, integrate 6t to the negative 3 over 2. So when you add 1 to this, we're at negative 1.5 if you like. So you can think of it as that, or you can think negative 3 over 2 plus 2 over 2, because that would be equivalent of 1. So that will go to negative 1/2. So you want to divide by that negative 1/2 and write your new power plus c. So 6 divided by negative 1/2 is the same as 6 times 2 over 1, or negative 2 over 1. So that's going to be negative 12 t to the negative 1/2 plus c. And just take it one step at a time. Now make your power positive, take it down below, and your plus c at the end. And if you wanted to take it further, I haven't done it here, but you could square root, say that's the square root of t, so negative 12 over root t plus c, particularly if you were putting the values into this, which we'll do later on. And lastly, when you integrate a constant, the easiest way to understand this or think about it, well, there's two ways actually. When you integrate a constant, you get 5x, in this case plus c. Think of differentiating 5x and you would get down to 5, or differentiating 7x you would get down to 7, so we're reversing the process. So a constant just has a variable next to it. Another way to look at it is 5 is the same as 5x to the power 0, and if you add 1 to the power you get x to the power 1 and divide by 1, you'll get 5 over 1 x to the 1, so you end up with this.